In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add discount codes to your store. So to get started, we're going to click Store. And then we'll click Discounts on the left. And finally, we'll click Add Discount. Now you'll see that we have several discount options available: flat discount, percent discount, and free shipping. For a flat discount, you would enter the name. This is for your records. The discount code. This is the code you would give customers. You can select if you want this discount to be used with other discounts or not. So if you don't want this discount to be used with any other discounts you offer, unselect this. Otherwise, leave it selected. Choose if you want it to apply automatically. So if you set it to apply automatically, the customer does not need to enter a code on checkout. They would simply just get your discount as long as they're making their purchase within the time you have the discount active for. If you do not want it to be applied automatically, leave this unchecked. Enter your discount amount, select the dates it's valid for, and then here you'll decide what orders the discount can be applied to. So all orders, orders over a certain amount, member groups like wholesalers, a group of categories, or select products. The percent discount is very similar. The only difference would be in the discount space, you're going to enter percent instead of a dollar amount. And then finally, we have free shipping. Free shipping is perfect for wholesale groups. When you want to run a promotion to encourage higher order amounts. So for free shipping, again, name, discount, choose if you want it to be used with other discounts, set the dates it will be available for, and then choose if you want free shipping to apply to all orders over a certain amount, $50, $100, etc., or member groups like wholesalers. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to use the flat discount, and I'm going to enter the discount name as flat sale for my records, and the discount code as flat for my customers. I'm going to allow it with other discounts. I do not want it to apply automatically. I'm going to give them a $5 off discount, and I want it valid today only. And I'm okay with this being discounted for all orders. So I'm going to give a $5 discount on every order in my store today only with the code flat. Okay, so we're going to click Save. And as you can see, it's now been added to my list of discounts. If at any time you need to disable it, you can quickly do that by clicking Disable. You can make edits as needed. Now, this is what it looks like if a customer uses the discount in your store. I've already added a product to the cart. You can see I have a subtotal, and here's Enter Promo Code. So I'm going to enter the code flat and click Apply Code. And as you can see now, the discount has automatically been applied to the order.